Hello, hi guys. This is Patrick. This is my nephew. Imagine guys, he came from San Fernando, all the way from San Fernando. He needs my help. Okay, as you can see, he's a bit skinny. His goal is to gain muscle, diba? His goal is to gain muscle and adds a bit of weight. So very obvious naman. So I'm here to help him. This is his second session. Our first session, we did chest and tricep. Right? So he's a newbie. Baguhan to. So kailangan light training lang kami. Light training. As we did on his first day. Mga baguhan. Make sure fewer sets, at least 3 sets lang, and then very lightweight. Okay, you cannot force them to set. Otherwise, you're gonna have a tremendous pain after the workout, which is not good. Okay, so right now I'm going to make sure that everything will be in light training lang. Tonight, our workout is bicep and legs. Ready? Let's go. So, we're done. Good job, Patrick. He did an amazing job. Tapos na kami sa legs and bicep. And after this, he will drink his isolated soy protein. eager na siyang uminom. Guys, I want you to meet the manager here in Imacor. It's Dan. Thank you, Dan, ha? Okay. Imacor, guys, ha? Check it out. Tastes good. Like and share our social media accounts, guys. Let's go!